This is me talking on TikTok. I'm in the same place. I'm just using a different app. And this is how clearly you can hear me. But whenever I'm talking on my camera on the iPhone, or when I'm using YouTube or through any other app, you can't hear. But through TikTok you can hear. I think that's a bit odd. If you notice, you don't hear the background noise that's in the video from YouTube. It's just very clear audio. If you have any answers, let me know.